What's up, dude? What's up?
Hey, that's cheating, man.
That's
Hey,
not cheating.
that's not fair.
Dude,
What? You can't throw in Street Fighter.
I'm getting you good, dude. Look
You
at this.
can't-
Dude, I'm whooping you like this, son.
Hey, forget it, man.
Come on,
Forget it.
dude.
You cheat. You can't throw in Street Fighter. I was blocking.
Dude, look how I'm
Hey,
playing.
but anyway, whatever. Hey, what you doing this weekend?
I'm just chilling, dude. What you trying to do?
Are you going to church, man?
Yeah, I ain't going to church.
Hey, can I come on Friday night?
What? For reals?
Yeah,
Are you serious?
for sure.
Dude, every time I try to invite you, you try to say how whack church is.
No, I just want to try. I heard like good things going on this Friday coming up.
This Friday.
Yeah,
We're talking about sex this Friday. Is that why you trying to go, dude? Come on.
Yeah, a little bit. I've been dating this girl, and
All right, Melissa.
Yeah,
She's
Melissa.
a Christian.
She is. She
Okay,
is.
so you trying to respect the game.
For sure,
All right,
for
dude,
sure.
for sure. So you trying to go...
That's she's been telling me all kind of stuff with the Bible and about sex, and I just want to know how far I can go with her, according to what the Bible says. You know what I'm saying?
Well,
Use the Bible against her a little bit.
I can tell you right now, but I ain't qualified to. I mean, you trying to go to church right now, dude?
That's why I just want to check it out. I just want to check out what's this purity and sex thing talking about. You know, and what
Dude,
the Bible got to say about it.
PJ going to church. I would never have thought that. Let's go.